Welcome my dear friends, welcome to Shanti Ghosh videos. This video will be very interesting. You know, 22nd June, our founder position is closing forever. So it is only 10 days to go. In this video also we will get a recap as a founders what we got from Onpassive. Now my dear friend, we have secured our founder position by paying $97 plus $5 bank charges. My dear friend, Onpassive, it was started in 2018 by our Honorable CEO, Mr. MUFAREH, that Onpassive will be a digital marketing company with 5 to 6 products, third-party development to uplift humanity, and about 500 founder position was in mind. But my dear friend, there was a massive response, and over a period of time, Onpassive founder position now it has come to 1.35 million founders, and Onpassive has grown massive global company. My dear friend, now Onpassive is the total digital solutions, 50 plus AI powered digital products. We have data center and we have physical products in 2022. My dear friend, see, this is a pictorial representation of Onpassive as a founder what we got. We are getting a business in autopilot mode, run and operated by Onpassive, totally automatic, targeted traffic, everything, and success is guaranteed. So we are getting a self-finance business, self-financing life by Onpassive. It is a blessing from Onpassive, my dear friend. We are getting a dynamic website which will change every day. There will be every day new website and it will attract the customers. My dear friend, as a founder, we got the privilege to have the data center and it will reduce many operation cost. Also, it is having a business potential and it is a huge, my dear friend. So as a founder will be benefited from the data center. Also, we have physical products, you know, 2 product types are already successful and we have the innovation labs. My dear friend, now Onpassive is the global IT company, total information technology company with AI and ML digital products and data center. It makes a complete information technology. As a Onpassive technology company, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have data center, cloud computing, and future business already indicated it will be in 3D printing area and blockchain. It is having a massive market, my dear friend, global market. Now Onpassive, it has grown very massive infrastructure. We are having offices in USA, India, Hyderabad, Singapore and Dubai, you know, world stop Burj Khalifa, 151 floor, world stop office, and also in 34 floor, and in Dubai we are building another office. Also, Onpassive is opening many offices in many countries, already indicated by our Honorable CEO, and also there will be 1,000 offices for global leaders. So Onpassive infrastructure is massive, beyond imagination. My dear friend, Onpassive latest updates. Onpassive is in the brand building process. It will have many advantages. It will have a cutting edge. And my dear friend, marketing campaign is started from the world stop Burj Khalifa. Dubai campaign is full swing, then it will be in India, USA, there will be many mega events and big events, my dear friend. And you know many products are ready for market. So once founder position closes, you will get many information. So please stay tuned, watch the webinars, get updated, and revenue generation to begin with the introduction of Onpassive products in market to the public. That's all in this video, my dear friend. Thanks a lot for active watching.